Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to this edition of the news. Before going to the details, here's a glimpse of the headlines. KHADC urges consultation before implementing Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Act. Congress has announced its candidates for KHADC and JHADC. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council pays tribute to departed MDCs. And BJP's goal behind One Nation, One Election initiative is to eliminate regional parties, says Vincent Pala. The news in detail. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today passed a resolution urging the state government to seek views and consult stakeholders before implementing the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Facilitation Act 2024. The act would allow the Invest Meghalaya Authority to purchase land and lease it to private investors. KHADC Chief Executive Member Panyat Singh's aim emphasized that the Khasi land tenure system governed by the Dorbar Shnang, Dorbar Raj and Dorbar Hima preserves the socio-cultural values of the Khasi community. He stressed the KHADC's role in protecting this system as mandated under the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution.
Banyak kalian ini hak berkembang ide berkembang yang ke government, pemerintah yang state government, lewat yang central government tu, dan tiba menwara anu project ini kan sudah bersiap kami melak banyak pen haduk ke sini. Bahkan ni semua tu jo kumbara aibo lingba subsidi, kumbara aibo lingba kini act berkira jo state government serta jalan lebih juga Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ni sudah hibat yata.
The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee has released the first list of candidates for the Autonomous District Council election 2025. The party finalized 11 candidates from Jaintia Hills and 15 from Khasi Hills out of the 58 constituencies in KHADC and JHADC. Pala emphasized that the Congress has prepared thoroughly for the election. He also expressed confidence that the party's current candidates are well educated and of strong character, noting that the turnout for Congress membership has been very promising.
Lasha ingin pernah cua kumba cipo na Jaintia Hills, but katsan na Khasi Hills klem poi perkat daya bapet ke jingwan jong ki beriu ke jing penyesno jong ki nongkit kam ke jing penyesno jong ki kandidat cakap kres nga iba kabiang ba klem arzatin ba ka kongres kande ke parti ka ban lebhat tam lene ban bahal lebhat du na borok ini ki parti ki bandon.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today paid tribute to 3 former MDCs, late Latiplang Kharkongor, late Hadrian Lingdo and late DP Yangju during the first day of the council winter session. Participating in the obituary reference, KHADC Chief Executive Member Panyat Singh's aim said that the demise of the 3 leaders is a great loss to the council. Taking part in the obituary reference, opposition leader Titos Tarwal Khan said that late Kharkongor, who was the former CEM, was a very dynamic person and a leader who was very concerned about the welfare of the people of his constituency.
Bagi jempati di baik dalam way di senior member dan senior my job election out there, but the way di before tiba umi rambat lagi sedia kita dalam job jadi election dan mesti jauh.
The Congress party has voiced its dissatisfaction with the proposal to conduct simultaneous elections across the country, acknowledging that it is merely an attempt to undermine regional parties. Vincent H. Pala, MPCC president, stated that the BJP's goal behind the One Nation, One Election initiative is to eliminate regional parties. He said Congress disagrees with this idea because public administration should involve cooperation and we must respect the will of the people.
Ang asal tu ba kejengmut jong ke BJP ke depan penduk jait ya kini ki regional party habadon One Nation election temut kamtam ke MP MLA bat ki council ki depan don ke jok ke singi ke jok ke por ni neliang parti kongres ngim seoi habre hage demokrasi ngim depan suppress you know ngim depan persang ban penduk jait you know.
The state Congress leaders yesterday announced the candidacy of Jonathan Same for the upcoming MDC elections. Same will contest the KHADC elections from the Soringham MDC constituency, which is scheduled for 21st February 2025. Additionally, MPCC has released the first list of candidates for the 15 MDC seats in the KHADC and 11 members for the GHADC elections.
So my objective is as a youth, because as we have seen in the entire state in Meghalaya, in the entire India, we can say 65% of the youth population are under the 35 age. So now it's a time for the youth to come forward to take part in politics. So sometimes some people say that politics is a dirty game, but we should understand this. Politics is not a dirty game. It's a game for, it is a place that we can make policy.
The Mula Maliang village in East Jaintia Hills district once again showcased a spectacular display of Christmas lights. Sutengah Saipong MLA Santa Mary Sheila inaugurated the 6th edition of this spectacular display of Christmas in the presence of other dignitaries. This initiative has successfully drawn visitors during the Christmas holidays since 2019, contributing to the promotion of tourism in the region. This year, the Christmas events will take place every evening from December 18th to January 3rd, 2025, with a variety of activities planned for participants of all ages. Umroy MLA Damanbat Lamare yesterday inaugurated the newly constructed and well-equipped auditorium of Umroy Presbyterian Secondary School. The construction of the auditorium cost over Rs 40 lakhs, of which Rs 5.95 lakh was allocated through the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. Speaking at the event, the MLA acknowledged the substantial expenditure involved and emphasized the importance of the facility as a blessing and as an asset for the students and the school administration.
Ya kini ke sekolah berjumpa, omkang kini ke sekolah berjumpa. Anda ingin jelek dan pemimpin yang baru di sekolah berjumpa apa kini ke umrah konstitusi, kejim kejoma. Nama ke sekolah kini ke wei ke bertangkam hari ini polisi komentar.
The Umroy Sub-Center, which has been in operation since 1974, celebrated its 50th anniversary in providing healthcare services to the people of the surrounding region. The event was held at the Umroy Playground yesterday. Addressing the event as chief guest, Umroy MLA Damanbat Lamare expressed appreciation for the efficient operations of the sub-center and the significant benefits it has brought to the public seeking medical care. He assured the people that the sub-center will soon be upgraded to a primary health center.
Yang minister, yang mem amperin, bato madam Sobha, wat kilat kelenti, Wat tiglar kelenti, selu ibut istar kan beron ibut ibor jongpi, ban penkiu kerdan no ye ganega sub health center, sega PHC. Namar kumbalang ye keren latip, bagane kanega area umro jongi kat population kalajan kot sado sega kendai hajar tam sega 10,000 duna.
As part of the Christmas and New Year celebration, the HANM Western Ribhoi yesterday distributed 23 sets of warm clothing to underprivileged households at the Dorbar Hall of Mauskei Tem village in the presence of the village leaders and other members of the organization. Addressing the event, Sumarlang Lingdo, the president of the organization, said that the organization aims to offer some support to those facing hardships, even if it is a small gesture with meaningful impact.
Tangga Christmas gift bangila ban ai sumpai pi long ka bari rup yang sumpa da ka jingkmen bauble try kendor don dangkat pi hari sen kejumpi.
The Nongpo Region Auto Owners and Drivers Association inaugurated its fully operational office today at the premises of the DTO office in Nongpo. The office was inaugurated by Miralbon Aim, MLA of Nongpo. As part of the inauguration event, a cake-cutting ceremony was held to celebrate the Christmas season, the upcoming New Year, and the achievement of establishing a dedicated office for the association. This milestone marks a significant step towards enhancing the welfare and development of auto rickshaw owners and drivers in the region.
Yang sibuk iki yang reality yang ping semua kong association jing kidan jing kidan neng semua alimut warna bersngar kita ya reality kepada keren ya kepada le ekoha training atau legal kamera.
The Ribhoi Youth Federation Western Zone today provided assistance to a fire victim, Pretty Mary Thankyu, in Soccerbum village by distributing tin roofing sheets and rice. This gesture follows a tragic fire incident last Saturday that engulfed a house, leaving the family devastated. During the visit, President RBYF Western Zone Rishan Nongtri voiced his concern over the lack of fire services in the Western Ribhoi region, which has made it difficult to respond effectively to such incidents.
Western Zone ngimla klaim dapan pau lani benbu ya ka jingdawa ka jukupor hagbay day but ka fire service department ba finsim kya namar ba kani ka jing kerpat ba ka jing bu bandawa ya kata ka fire service station kalayat menta lakumba sipo bat ka santli kisnem kilayat hanrai hadu menta ngimpat syam layoi ya kita kikam bakun urlong no.
And now the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature recorded today is 14 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is 75%. Forecast in Tura, dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Moving on to Shillong. Minimum temperature recorded is 7 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature recorded is 20 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 59%, and the forecast in Shillong, dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature recorded today is 7 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity recorded today in Jowai is 58%, and its forecast is dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, let's have a quick look at the headlines once again. PHADC urges consultation before implementing Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Act. has announced its candidates for KHADC and GHADC. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council pays tribute to departed MDCs. And BJP's goal behind One Nation, One Election initiative is to eliminate regional parties, says Vincent H. Pala. And dear viewers, that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Thank you for tuning in with us today. Until we meet again next time, good night.